Hi Kuya, kamusta? Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be here. I'm so excited to see all of this people. It's kind of refreshing knowing that yung ligaya ng cinema bumabalik na.
Philippine cinema is alive, bro!
Exactly, and I see this dito to. Pelikula ito, so excited to be here.
Ang saya, no? Lalong-lalo na we are celebrating 50 years of MMFF. Ano bang mga expectations mo para sa Uninvited?
To be scared, to be a thriller.
Thriller? Yes, we're gonna be seeing those and more. Okay, please enjoy this party that we have. That stash that you have?
New stash, new look for 2025.
I know. Parang may iba naman, no? Oo, naghahanda ka na. How have you been?
Okay naman, medyo busy with tapings and doing some movies.
Well, right now we are expect to see one of the biggest films.
Yes.
In Philippine showbiz and Philippine cinema. Ano mga expectations mo, brother?
I'm looking forward to watch the big cast, especially to the star for all season, si Ate V,
Yes.
Sir Aga Mula, Nadine Lustre, and many more. And it's been a while since I've watched a thriller film, so I'm excited for this experience.
Well, I'm so excited to see it as well, together with the billions of fans waiting. Maraming salamat, Arts.
Thank you.
And I'll see you inside.
See you inside.
Huwag kang pamano sa akin. That is uninvited, yung pagpamano sa akin. But that is one tradition na kailangan ay magpatuloy. Not now, no? Pero bro, how have you been, JC? Okay, we got your mic. How have you been? You wanna say hi to everyone watching?
Hi, what's up?
JC, gaano ka ka-excited?
Excited na. Actually, nakita ko na yung mga trailer and nagulat ako.
Okay. All-star cast talaga. Matindi. He was saying, kanina na nakita yung trailer. The teasers, I'm sure, nakita na social media. Pero, abangan mo, trailer pa lang yun, how much more the big film. JC, maraming salamat. And then, nasa starstruck po talaga ako right now. Konti na lang lumuhod ako. Hello, Shirley. Hello. Hello, Andres. Hello, Natasha. Nice to finally meet you guys. So, namulak namin right here sa Golden Carpet premiere po natin. Before anything else, you want to say hi to everyone watching us?
Hi, Robbie, and of course, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat for supporting, of course, Uninvited. Yes!
Hello everybody, and thank you for being here today. And Robbie, nice to meet you as well.
Finally, nakaka-insecure, bro.
Bakit, Robbie?
Iba yung kapugian talaga ni Andres. Parang ginawa ko yung sing-sing ko. Natatakot ako para sa sarili ko. But nice to see you right here. And of course, Natasha.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you guys for your time and hopefully you guys enjoy Uninvited.
Thank you. Actually, everyone has been expecting you to be right here sa ating Golden Carpet premiere. We just can't wait to throw you lots of questions, but I'll just give you a couple of questions right now. How excited are you guys? Finally, in just 2 days, pumaparoon na ng lahat, pero ngayon, world premiere ng ating Uninvited. Let's start with you.
Siyempre naman super excited because we've seen all the hard work that they put into this project.
Yes.
And grabe, even with just the trailer, tapos yung teasers, ang ganda talaga.
Ang ganda.
Of course.
How about you, Andres?
Very, very excited to watch this because the build-up of all the trailers and all the promo, it's been really exciting. And the hard work that the cast put together is really something we're looking forward to.
Ang daming nangyari, no? And finally, we are here, Shirley.
Ako naman excited because it's such an eventful movie. How often do we get to see big, talented actors together? Of course, Miss Vilma Santos, asawa ko, and Miss Nadine, and lahat sila, diba? And to see them together, we're all quite excited to see how this movie will turn out. And I'm sure it will be really good. Katulad ng sinabi ni Natasha, nakita din namin lahat ng paghihirap and hard work that they put behind it.
Yes.
So, we're excited for everybody.
And Miss Vilma and Sir Aga has been, parang tagal na since they have been working, diba?
This
And
is their third movie together.
Third movie?
Third movie together.
God.
But it took, I think, maybe 20 or 30 years bago nagsama sila ulit. So,
diba?
exciting.
Exciting talaga. I'm sure Sir Aga is watching us right now through one of his smartphones or even sa kanyang tablet. Everyone's so excited for this event. What's your message?
Natasha, would you like to add?
Congratulations to everyone here in the cast of Uninvited. Grabe, this is it. Everything you guys have worked for is finally come, and
excited. Okay.
Congratulations to the cast and everyone in the production that made this movie put together. So, thank you.
Yes, congratulations in advance sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Uninvited. This is such a movie that all of us should really look out for and really not fail to see itong December 25, Uninvited po. We're inviting everyone, bring your family, bring your friends to watch Uninvited.
Thank you so much. Muli pala po natin.
Invited?
Sorry, uninvited.
Uninvited. Uy, pasensya na, bubulong talaga.
It's okay, it's okay. We got some of the best influencers in town. Gaano ka ka-excited na invite ka sa Uninvited?
Wala, talaga ni-nervous talaga ako. Kinakabahan ako. Eh, Vilma Santos siya, di ba?
Vilma Santos.
Talagang inakabahan.
So mo mag-usap na tayo na agano, baba. Ayan. Hindi, joke lang, okay. So nakakatuwa naman.
Grabe. Kaya sobrang salamat ako na punta ako dito at nakita ko sa birthday na si Miss Vilma Santos at nagkulang kami kanina.
Wow.
Grabe!
Okay, pwede bang malaman at makita yung kahit pahapyaw lang ng sample? Paano mo ba gagayahin si Ate V? Eto na, ladies and gentlemen, we got Arwan Salon as Ate V.
Nasa si Junjun. Nasa si Junjun. Dinaya niya ako! Nasa si Junjun! Nasa si Junjun! Si Pano mo ng manay! Si Pano mo ng ano! Kinaganyan niyo!
Dito ka lang. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po!
Okay, maraming salamat. Please stay. Okay, please go inside. Stay right there. Ibang klase yung emosyon talaga. And now, got the Aguinaldos with us. Hello, good evening. Kamusta po mga pakiramdam?
Masayang-masaya ako namin kasi Vilma!
Yes.
Binigay niya sa akin
Kanina po, nag-love din sila.
Ito mismo yung panyo ni Miss Vilma Santos.
Yes,
Balik sa akin.
Sobrang saya. Pwede mo malaman saan po ba kayo inis si Miss Vilma Santos? Saan po ba kayo hinalikan ni Miss Vilma? Ayun, sobrang saya talaga na. And also, hindi daw nalalabahan ito. Ipa-frame na natin to, panyo po mismo na Alex Ramos.
Yes po. Tingin mo sa kanya kanina.
Teenager pa lang siya, napakatagal na po panahon ng Vilmania po kayo, Mami. Mami, kami po ay sobrang excited na para sa world premiere ng Uninvited. And we are so happy na nandito po kayo, na-invite kayo dito. Gano'n po kayo kasaya?
Ang saya-saya po! Ang saya-saya!
Ibang klase talaga, no? How about you, brother? Gano'n masaya?
Yun, masaya ako kasi mukha nung masaya po si Mama. Kasi kanina kasi nagkaroon kami ng opportunity na ma-meet personal si Miss Vilma Santos.
How was that experience like? Nagtula. Alam nyo, kayo pa nakikita yung ngiti ni Mami, sobrang laki.
Yes.
Ibang klase talaga. Kamusta po yung collaboration nyo?
Iyak siya.
Tiyak talaga. I'm sure si Miss Vilma is watching you right now. Ano bang gusto mong sabihin sa kanya po, Mami? Nanonood po si Miss Vilma sa inyo ngayon. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
Alam na love ko siya since 2016. Marami lahat, basta kisilin ang lapat. Agero na po.
And I'm sure this is one film that you will love as well, alright?
Nasubaybayan ko siya, lalo ng Panginoon.
Oo.
Kaya po na siya.
Oh, ang dami na nangyayari at marami pang mangyayari po. Sa loob po ng ating cinema, Mami, maraming salamat po. Kayo po ang isa sa mga napakaswerte na nakakuha po ng panyo ni Miss Vilma Santos.
Kanina sa akin, binigay.
Personal na inabot talaga, no? Ang galing talaga. Maraming salamat. Actually, you would say yes or... And the one and only, Mr. Luis Gonzalo.
Pasok na tayo.
Muntik pa tayo Maraming salamat for being here. Thank you.
Yes.
Everyone knows how busy you are.
Nandito ako para sa iyo. Sa staff mo, malabo.
Grabe talaga no. But thank you for saying yes to the invitation para sa world premiere ng Uninvited.
Oo naman. May 1.5 ako dito.
Buti ka ba? May abot ha? Grabe. Ang tindi ha? Ang tindi ng mentor. Ganun pala.
Thank you for being here. And
doing this for us.
Always, always. This is history in the making and we don't want to miss this historic moment, no? Pero, syempre, before we throw questions related to Uninvited, ang unang tanong namin, sino nag-aalaga kay Peanut ngayon?
Kaya pala hindi ko siya nakita kanina. Nandun siya sa bahay ngayon and I'm sure pag dumating na yung time na mas nakakapanood na siya sa tamang edad, syempre papapanood namin sa kanya lahat ng movies ng Momsy.
Wow, that's so nice. Okay, talking about Uninvited, tagal na namin hinihintay, tagal na natin hinihintay lahat ng ito ipalabas. Finally, ito na yun, world premiere. How excited are you guys?
Sobra kasi si Momsy sobrang busy. Si Momsy, si Tito V, sobrang busy niya. And talagang binuhos niya lahat ng energy niya, lahat ng efforts niya dito sa movie na to. I'm super excited kami makita. Nakwento na sa akin ni Momsy. So excited ako mapanood talaga.
Nako, kaabang-abang.
Ako, I'm sobrang excited for my mom. Naniniwala ako na may puwang siya sa industriya. At malay natin, yan ay magiging stepping stone ni Mami papunta sa kasikatan. Sana.
Saan pangyari ba, Mami?
Parang din na niya kailangan tanggapin yung Goy Mulili.
I saw that.
Nakaka-happy kasi sunod-sunod si Momsy sa MMFF.
Yeah.
Last year, di ba?
Yes!
At saka kakaiba yung this year. Kung last year rom-com, ito, suspense thriller. Kakaiba ang Vilma Santos.
Yes, that is so true. I heard coming from the press con that we had, that yung first time, is ito yung request na talagang plot. Bahala naman na mangyari, basta ito yung gusto ko, and finally natupad ko. Diba?
Yes. And nakita ko naman, si Mommy is, juggling a lot of things. Pero pinag-uusapan natin yung shooting ng Uninvited, talagang gumawa siya ng paraan. Like what you said, this is something she really wanted to do.
Talagang binibigay niya yung puso niya sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa niya. And this is one aspect na everyone is so excited about. I know Miss Vilma is watching us right now. Alam na alam ko, tinext sa amin kanina. Ano bang mensahe niyo para sa ating Star for All season?
Momsy, congratulations. Nandito na kami. Alam kong kakaalis ko lang ng pagod-pod.
We love you, Momsy!
We love you. We're excited. We're very, very happy for you. At isa na namang achievement to ni Miss Vilma Santos.
That is so true. Maraming salamat. Please, before anything else, sino bang sinusuportahan mo?
Yung buong pelikula, Kuya Roy.
Okay. Just to be clear though, how excited are you?
I'm excited syempre dahil MMFF season and ang gaganda ng endings and Uninvited yung isa sa mga unang nating kapanood.
Yes, and you are regarded as, if not actually one of the most bankable stars, especially when it comes to drama. Ito, matindi yung papanood natin ngayon. Miles, ano expectations mo para sa ating Uninvited film?
Expectations, I'm wondering bakit Uninvited kahit nandito tayong lahat. So yun yung dapat nating abangan. And of course, star-studded tong pelikulang to. Kaya I'm excited to watch it, Sir Romy.
So maraming salamat, Miss Miles. I'll see you inside. The very beautiful and talented Miss Miles Ocampo.
Good evening.
Good evening. Nice to see you again.
Hey, everyone.
You want to say hi to everyone?
Yeah, you're all invited to watch.
Yes, this is it. Finally, after months of waiting, after actually ang tagal na binubuo itong konsepto na to, finally we are here. I saw you at the grand launch of Uninvited. You were so happy. Gaano po ba kayo ka-excited na in just a few minutes, papanood natin itong pelikula na ito?
Looking forward to watching it. Just like many years ago.
Everyone's so excited.
Looking forward.
Thank you so much. I know Miss Vilma Santos is watching us right now. What's your message for her?
Well, I'm sure it's going to be a big hit. She worked hard for it. I think the entire crew as well. So, congratulations to her.
And congratulations sa lahat ng bubuo ng Uninvited. Maraming salamat. We're gonna be seeing you inside.
We're gonna see you lahat. Salamat po sa pagpunta. So, Uninvited.
Thank you. Direk, do you feel any pressure right now?
Kinakabahan ka sana ma-enjoy ng lahat ng tao. Live tayo sa loob, di ba?
Yes.
Pag-ahin ako sa nanay ko para sa iyo.
Oh, wow! Beautiful message right there, Direk. We can't wait to see the film and actually for you to be reunited with your mom inside. Please enjoy and congratulations.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo for braving the holiday traffic. Thank you very much for coming. Sana po magustuhan nyo. Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you so much.
Magandang gabi po. Uninvited po, huwag niyo makalimutan. Showing na po sa 25. And thank you for everyone for coming.
And thank you so much for being here. Okay, we just can't wait to see the film already. Not just because of the traffic, no, nasa nomination mo. We're gonna be painting the town, the whole world red tonight. Ano bang mga dapat namin i-expect?
Maraming dugo.
Siyempre, yung characters namin, yung mga characters at saka roles namin ni Gio dito, na napakabait sa pelikulang to. Sana ma-expect at mapanoorin niyo po.
Well, of course, ang makers ko ay mentor and we expect, you know, a pop standard, the best of the best all the time, including the best of the best. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. And thank you. We're gonna be seeing you in just a bit. Okay. Premiere night. Well, JM, I just have to tell you this is your first time, pero napakaswerte mo because this is the biggest premiere night ever in the history of Philippine cinema. Alright, how about you, brother?
I'm just taking it all in. Sobrang napakasarap ng experience and ayokong may makalimutan, so lahat ay
Naalala natin lang. Okay, get all the moments right din. Ang sarap. Ang sigawan lalong-lalo na on the stage. You got Elijah and Gabby, whom we will be talking right here on the stage just a bit. Grabe talaga ang lahat nila. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much.
Yes, and bro, of course we have to ask this, no? Ano ba ang nangingibabaw na emosyon ngayon? I'm sure you guys are excited. Gaano ka-excited ngayon?
Sobra yung excitement ko na kinakabahan naman. To the point na, kasi di ba namin nakikita yung film. So, kumbaga, para sa amin, uhusgahan namin yung sarili natin dito.
Wow!
Wow! Character lahat.
unite with us.
Hello po, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Hello to our family and friends.
Daming nakaabang sa lahat ng mga fans nyo. Halos nandito na. Even dito sa Cinema 4 as well. We'll be having our world premiere right here in Cinema 3. Pero we are just so excited para sa matinding pelikula. I can see your smiles. Grabe yung effort, yung pagod na ibinigay dito. And we have to say, this is a masterpiece which everyone is part of. No? Maraming salamat. And we'll be seeing yung mga dekalibreng artista sa isang pelikula. Gano'n ba kayo ka-excited?
Oh, I'm so excited and I'm super honored to be part of this beautiful story. So, maraming salamat to Mentor, of course, Productions, and of course, to our team.
Yes.
We love you.
We love you, Ate V.
Yes.
This film talks about a mother's love.
Oh, yes.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kayo po, as a mom, what can you do for love?
Para sa mga anak ko.
Para sa anak.
Anything. Anything and everything. Huwag niyong kakantiin ang mga anak ko.
Ayan na. Saktong-sakto.
Yes.
Painted the town red with that color. Maraming salamat. The 2 days to go bago ang Pasko and also for Uninvited showing in cinemas nationwide. Pero ngayon, world premiere of Uninvited. How are you right now?
I'm good, and I hope everybody here is really willing to see this movie na talagang pinaghirapan ng lahat, lalong-lalo na nila Miss Belma Santos and Madam Nadine na nasa silang mga namumuna, mga lead stars na nandito.
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the president in the building, Nadine Lustre. With the president herself, the collector, Miss Nadine Lustre. Hi, Miss Nadine. Eto, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang marinig siguro yung title na yan, The Collector.
Yes, first time. Kaya nga natawa ako.
Okay, before we discuss that, you want to say hi to everyone watching us?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone and maraming salamat. Alam po namin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas, but thank you so much for spending your time with us. Sobrang excited kami na makita ninyo ang pelikula.
At sobrang excited na ako may mapanood ito. Diba? Going back to that title that I have given you right now, The Collector. Siyempre, every single year, nangongolekta siya ng awards eh. Left and right. Ganun katindi. Ganun kagaling ang isang nadi-illustre. In this film, ano bang mga pwede naming expect, especially coming from Nicole?
I guess Nicole her character is very different from the ones that I've done before. So, and I always say this kasi lagi ko namang sinusubukang pag-ulit, yung atake ko sa mga characters ko. But this time around, sobrang iba talaga siya. Kasi, lagi ko sinasabi before, my characters were always very simple. Parang mabait na anak. Kaya this time, medyo suplado ko na.
We're Lady in Red right now.
Very different naman. So I'm very excited for everyone to see that because this is the first time I'm going to be doing that on screen.
Oh, well, we're so happy and excited.
The first time natin mapapanood kasama ng tuloy lahat. Pelikula natin on Invited. So I'm excited and super.
Pero hindi na talaga kami makapaghintay sa pagsisimula ng pelikula. Napalapaan po natin, Mr. Agamula. Treasures of our country is there right now. And what an icon. Please join me in welcoming the one and only Miss Vilma Santos. Hi, Miss Vilma. Everyone is here. Everyone loves you. Everyone is here to support you. Before anything else, gusto mo nang batiin lahat?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Lahat po na kasama namin itong gabi ito sa premiere night ng Uninvited. And nagagalak po ang buong family ng Uninvited na ito na yung aming premiere night. And we all invite you. We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited. And this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. To all of you, we love you! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! This is one gift na hindi na dapat palampasin. Ito na yun, all the biggest stars in Wong Film just for you guys. Okay, we have our star for all seasons right here on the stage. May we call